Hello everyone, I will tell you about the traveling to Bali for day 3 nights. I departed using a private car from the port of Ketapang and then of the port of Gilimanuk. I departed from Malang. I was at 8 am and arrived at the port of Ketapang at 4 p.m. Then waited a few minutes to enter the ferry to cross to Gilimanuk port. I arrived in Bali at 6 o'clock straight to the hotel that I had booking for day. Arriving at the hotel, I rested because I was too tired during the trip. The next morning after breakfast, I went to the Bali Pacific Museum tour by car. The Bali Pacific Museum is located in the Block B area Nusa Dua, Bali. The Bali Pacific Museum is open from 10 am to 6 pm. What I did there was to learn about history in the museum and take the picture for the memories. The Bali Pacific Museum has the Spartan room based on the origin of the artist. Like in room 1, artist from Indonesia, room 2 is from Italy, room 3 is from Holland. From the Bali Pacific Museum, I continue to tour Tanjung Benoa. Tanjung Benoa is one of the famous tourist attractions and a favorite tourist while on the vacation to Bali. The location of Tanjung Benoa is very strategic because it is close to the tourist attraction of Nusa Dua. The attraction of the Tanjung Benoa tourist attraction, there are two things, namely the beauty of Tanjung Benoa Beach, which has white sand beaches, which calm wave and Balinese water sport activity. Because it has waves that are not too big, making Tanjung Benoa Beach stable for tourist activity, such as banana boat, jet ski, fly fish, donut boat, ocean walker, snorkeling, flyboard, and Turtle Island. After the tour, I continue my journey at 4 o'clock and headed to the Uluwatu. The location of the Borobudur Uluwatu is in the village of Picatu South, Kuta District, Bandung, Regency, Bali. Not only sunset, we can also see the traditional island of Bali, namely the Kecak dance. Pura Uluwatu Bali has the status as the Set Kahyangan Jagat Temple, or buffer of the wind of the island of Bali. The location of the temple is located on Coral Hill. Because the location of the temple on Coral Cliff, temple is named Uluwatu, which in Sanskerta means the peaks of the coral. The location of the establishment of the Luhur Uluwatu temple building makes tourism who come to visit not only can enjoy the religious atmosphere but also the beautiful and unique. The next day after breakfast, I continue to go around Bali to Tirta Ampul Temple. Temple Tirta Ampul is named of the Hindu temple location in Manukaya village, Gianyar, Regency, Bali. The unique architecture and the presence of the spring in the area inside the temple make Tirta Ampul Temple attract many tourist visit. The main unique of the Tirta Ampul Temple is found in the natural spring inside the temple area. The water from this spring is used by the Hindu community for bathing, purifying timeless fish, and asking for holy water. The god who is worshipped at the Tirtha Ampul temple is the Dewa Indra. I continue to the Kintamani area for lunch here, as well as many places to eat that serve beautiful and cool mountain views. Continue to go to the Center by Krishna. The Center for Souvenirs by Krishna has been used as a place for buying and selling souvenirs on the island of Bali, selling clothes, Balinese neck, blankets, to sandals and shoes. So sustainable for the people who like shopping. After shopping, I visit or return to the hotel, maybe around 8 p.m. to rest and to prepare tomorrow morning to return to Malang. Because I feel very tired, so I rest early. The next day, breakfast I check out of the hotel. At 10 o'clock, I arrived at Gilimanuk Port. Here I am waiting from my turn to enter the ship. A view from the boat is not less beautiful. Around 12 o'clock, I arrive at the port of Ketapang and continue to the journey from the Banyuwangi to Malang, which takes about 8 hours. That's the story from me. Thank you.